Trying to choose a performance focused Linux distro and stuck between Garuda Linux and CachyOS? Let me break this down for you. Today, we are comparing two Arch based distributions built for speed, gaming, and modern hardware. Both Garuda Linux and CachyOS use Arch Linux as their foundation with rolling updates and cutting edge packages. They optimize kernel settings, use performance governors, and include gaming friendly tools out of the box. Garuda Linux emphasizes user friendliness with a beautiful desktop and helpful maintenance tools. It offers several desktop editions including KDE Plasma, GNOME, and gaming focused variants. The distribution includes BTRFS with automatic snapshots and GUI recovery options. CachyOS focuses heavily on performance optimizations and kernel customization. It uses a custom tuned kernel with additional CPU schedulers and compiler optimizations. The distribution targets power users wanting maximum speed from their hardware. The biggest difference is approach to user experience versus raw performance. Garuda adds convenience features that make Arch accessible to newcomers. CachyOS strips down and tunes every component for speed above all else. For features, Garuda provides chaotic AUR repository access, easy gaming setup with Lutris and Wine, and time shift backup integration. CachyOS offers optimized packages rebuilt with performance flags and kernel options not found in standard Arch. Both support Flatpaks and have active gaming communities. Pricing is free for both distributions. Being Linux systems, you download and use them without license fees. You contribute through community participation rather than money. So, which fits you? If you want a gorgeous, beginner friendly Arch experience with great gaming support, Garuda Linux works beautifully. If you crave maximum performance and do not mind manual configuration, CachyOS extracts more from your hardware. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Linux comparisons. See you next time.